We now continue with sum number 37. As 35 is cancelled, we start with sum number 37. So, sum number 37. The figure given over here, AB is the diameter, and so this is the figure, and they are given that AB is a chord and chord AD, DE. AD is parallel to AB. ED is parallel to AB. ED parallel to AB is given to you. And other thing they are given that angle EAB, this angle over here is 63 degrees. Good. So we have over here, this is 60, and now we have to find, we need to find over here, calculate angle EBA and triangle and angle BCD. EBA, this angle, and BCD. BCD, this angle. Okay. So first of all, what we have is, this is the diameter, so automatically this is going to be 90. So this is 90, this is 63, so this will be 27. So by parallel lines, this will also be 27. And उसके बाद angles in the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral से मुझे ये मिल जाएगा 153. Okay, easy. Sure. Let's write down. First one is angle AEB is equals to 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. Therefore, angle ABE is equals to 180 minus 90 minus 63 is equals to 27 degrees. Sum of angles of a triangle. Angle DEB is equals to angle ABE. Alternate interior angles is equals to 27 degrees. So first thing is that EAB we got it as 27 degrees. ये मिल गया अपने को. अभी ये करना है BCD. So we know that angle BCD plus angle DEB is equals to 180 degrees. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So that will give me angle BCD is equals to 180 minus 27 is 153 degrees. Got it? So this was sum number 37. We move on to sum number 39. Okay. Okay. This slightly different sum, so pay attention. This is slightly different. So it's 39. In the given figure, I is the in center. Now what is the in center? In center means not the center of the circle, but in center is the एंगल बाइसेक्टर जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट होते हो, सी व्हेन यू आर ड्रॉन द इंसेंटर्स, यू आर ड्रॉन द इंसेंटर्स व्हेन यू इन द 9th स्टैंडर्ड. सो हाउ डू यू ड्रॉ द इंसेंटर? इन सर्कल कैसे बनाते थे? दो किसी भी ट्राइंगल के दो एंगल्स को एंगल बाइसेक्टर का बाइसेक्टर जो वहाँ पे मीट होता था, दैट वाज द इंसेंटर. So that's why the I what is given over here is not the center of the circle, but it is the in center. So that is what is important in this question. You got the circle, you got a triangle, and you got a line which has got the I as the in center. B, D, A and C. Again the BAC, this angle over here is 55 degrees, and ACB is 65 degrees. So obviously we can find out this, and once you find out this, in center कैसे बनता है? Angle bisector बनता है, तो इसीलिए इसका bisector बन जाएगा. So over here we can see that. Okay, we'll write it down later, but let me write down what is to be found out. So find DCA, angle DAC, angle DCI, angle AIC. Okay, what are construction required? Let us draw it down. DCA, so need to join. So construction, join DC. DAC, so join DA. DCI, so join CI, and AIC, so AI. So their construction, you need to join DC, CI, AI and AD. So now we need to write down certain important, right away you can write down certain things. First thing is, you want is DCA, this angle is what you want, okay. Second is DAC, this angle is what you want. You want DCI, the complete angle over here, and AIC, the AIC is complete angle over here. These are the angles what you require. Fine. So first and foremost thing is, I know that I is the in center, so that means AI and CI are angle bisectors of angle A and C. AI and CI are angle bisectors of angle A and angle C, as I is in center. Okay, since I is the in center का मतलब क्या था, मैं तुम लोग को बताता ना, in center is the one in circle बनाने के लिए जो center बनता है वो. In circle कैसे बनाते हैं? If I want to draw the suppose I want to draw in circle for this, I draw the angle bisector here, I draw the angle bisector here, and then from here I am going to take the radius and draw the circle. So that's why this is the in circle, in center. So angle bisector से जो बनता है वो है in center. So उसका मतलब है that this is going to get divided into two parts. So angle IAC is equal to angle IAB is equal to 55/2 is equal to 22, 25, 27 and a half. Okay, this angle is 27.5. Similarly, angle over here also the same thing happens. ACI is equal to angle BCI is equal to 65/2 is equal to 32.5 degrees. This part is 32.5, this part is 32.5. Okay. So automatically you can find out this angle because this plus this is 180 degrees. So angle AIC plus 27.5 plus 32.5 is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles of triangle. So there will be angle AIC is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degrees. So this we found at the first as 120 degree. Okay. Now I know that this angle over here is going to be 60 because 655 plus 65 plus this is equal to 180. So ये 30 है तो automatically there will be 30 each. 60 है तो 30 each हुआ. Right? So we'll write over here angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 65 minus 55 angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle, obvious है. That is 60 degrees. Therefore, angle ABI is equal to angle CBI is equal to 30 degrees again. Because the same reason, angle bisector. I is in center. So if this is 30, this is subtending arc AD. Arc AD is subtending arc this one 30 degrees. ये AD इसको भी subtend कर रहा है. So angle DCA, that is what we need to find out over here. Angle DCA is equal to angle ABD. DBA is equal to 30 degrees. Same angle in the same segment. Okay, so this is 30 degrees. Same way, this arc subtends this angle, same arc subtends this angle. Got it? So, angle DAC is equal to angle DBC is equal to 30 degrees. Same reason. So this is 30 degrees. Now comes DCI. So now I know that this is 30. So DCI will be 30 plus 32. So angle DCI is equal to 30 plus 32.5 is equal to 62.5 degrees. Understood? Quite a tricky sum because what would happen? The mistake what you could do is you may take this as the center of the circle and then you will say that अगर ये 60 है तो ये 120 है पर ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, वहाँ पे problem हो जाएगी. You will be in a deep trouble when you do that thing because this I said and fortunately over here this is 120 but otherwise you cannot use this thing. When you use that thing you are going to get it wrong because it is not as per the I is not the center of this circle because not the center of this circle, that's why you will be facing this problem. So that's why be sure that when you are using this you are not getting you are not taking that as the reason for this particular thing. So that is sum number 39, 30, 30, 62.5 and 120. Okay, so I'll just explain you once again. 55 divided into 2 parts, 27.5, 27.5, 65 divided into 2 parts, 32.5, 32.5. Accordingly, you have the triangle AIC will be 27.5 plus 32.5 plus x. So x over here will be 120 degrees. Next is, in the triangle ABC, this is 55, this is 65, so this will be 60 because some of the angles will be 180. If this is 60, तो in circle है इसीलिए 30 degrees. If this is 30, then this is 30, this is 30. This is 30, this is 30. Because angles the same same segment. That's why 30 degrees and 30 degrees each. And then you know this is 30 and this is 32.5, so 62.5. So there was sum number 39. Sum number 40 cancelled. I'll write down over here. Sum number 40 is Cancer. We move on to sum number 41. You need to find out x, y and z, wherein it is given that the ratio, that is x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equals to z upon 5. So what we'll do is that first of all right over here, x upon 3 is equals to y upon 4 is equals to z upon 5 is equals to k. Therefore x is equals to 3k, y is equals to 4k and z is equals to 5k. Okay, that is the first thing. So here I know that this is all in terms of k, like this. Now I need to find out the values. So let's see what is possible things over here. Okay, we can see that if this is x and this is z, so this angle over here will be the exterior angle x plus z. If this is x and this, so this will also be x by vertically opposite angle. So this angle over here will be x plus y. And then they are the opposite angles, slightly quadrilaterals, and they will be supplementary. So x plus y plus x plus z is equal to 180 degrees. That's what we are going to do. Sure. Let's start. Angle ADC is equal to x plus z, because exterior angle property of triangle. Angle ABC, okay, before that, angle BCP is equal to x, vertically opposite angle. Angle ABC will be equal to x plus y, exterior angle property of triangle. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degrees, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore, x plus z plus x plus y plus x plus z is equal to 180 degrees. So x is nothing but 3k, or you can say 3k plus 4k plus 3k plus 5k is equal to 180 degrees. 15k is equal to 180 degrees. So k is equal to 180 upon 15 is equal to 12 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 3k is equal to 36 degrees, y is equal to 4k is equal to 48 degrees, z is equal to 5k is equal to 60 degrees. Got it? Sum number 41. We now move on to sum number 43. Sum number 43. Oof, chop. The circle. Okay, you got the triangle. ABD triangle. This is X and this is X. They're given this as P. They're given this as R and 90 degrees. This is Q. Right. You have to find out PQR in terms of X. This is X. You turned out PQR in terms of X. Okay, let's see. Okay, so first thing is this is at the center. So the same arc is subtending यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी, पर ये दिखा नहीं है, तो Q is the right thing. So first thing is angle AOB is equals to half angle ACB. So therefore X is equals to half Q, or Q is equals to 2X. That's the first answer. 2X. Okay. Now what we have is this is 90 degree. So if this is 90, this is 2x. Okay, Q will be AC is the diameter and BD is perpendicular to AC. That's the thing. Okay, fine. Now these are the radius, so this and this are equal, so this will be also Q. Also कोई फायदा नहीं है. Now this part, this will be Q over here. Q plus R, 90 R. This will be 90 minus R. और काम मिलेगा. Okay. So if this is 90, this is 90, so this is 90. So if this is Q, this over here will be 180 minus 90, and 90 minus Q. So this is going to be 190 minus Q. We'll just check it out how we will get it. So we get it here over this as equal M ले लेते हैं. So we see that in triangle MCB, angle MBC is equal to 180 minus 90 minus Q is equal to 90 minus Q is equal to 90 minus 2x. Okay, this angle. And this angle is subtending the same as P. Angle DAC is equal to angle DBC. Angles in same segment. Therefore, P is equal to 90 minus 2x. This is 90 minus 2x. Okay. So that we got it for P also. We already got it for Q. Now we talk about R. Okay, now R, this is 90. Okay, what else do we know? We know that these two are equal. This is x, so this two. Now this angle over here and this r. This, if this is r, this will also be r, and this will also be r. This will be r and this will also be r. Why? Because DCB is subtended by this arc, and this arc also subtends this angle over here, and उसके बाद ये दोनों radius है, इसलिए ये दोनों r हो जाएंगे. So you can see over here that OA is equals to OB is equals to radii, and angle CDB is equals to angle CAB is equals to R. Angles in same segment. Therefore, in triangle AOB, x plus r is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angles of triangle. Therefore, x plus 2r is equals to 180 degrees. So 2r is equals to 180 minus x. So r is equals to 180 minus x upon 2. So r is equals to 90 minus x upon 2. Samjha? I'll show it once again. X is here, Q is here. So x is at the center, Q is at the circumference. So ye double this. Oh no. Shit. Q will be equal to okay, mistake over here. This is twice, so 2, so Q is equals to x upon 2. That's the first thing. Q is x upon 2. Over here, Q is x upon 2. So that's why it is 90 minus x upon 2. Here we are not using Q, so it's okay. So yeah, the P is 90 minus x upon 2. R is 90 minus x upon 2. And Q is x upon 2. Okay, I'll just check up the answer so that there is no confusion. This is sum number 23. 90 minus x upon 2, and 90 minus x upon 2. Yes. Okay. So yeah, I'll just coming again. This is x, so this will be x upon 2 because it is at the circumference. So automatically x upon 2. Now I know that if this is q and this is 90, so this will be 90 minus q. And this 90 minus q over here will be the same as p over here because this is p and this q, both are subtended by the same arc over here DC. So p and this will be equal, therefore p is equals to 90 minus x upon 2. Now I know that this r and this angle over here will be the same and these are radius, so this both will be same. So r plus x will be 180 degrees. Therefore r will be equal to 90 minus x upon 2. Okay, so that was sum number 43. Okay, we will move to sum number 45 in the next video.